And at this point, I'm just really going to stop talking because I do talk towards the end of the video, y'all. I give y'all a small, like, initial review because, well, I just put the wig on and I can't give it in-depth. But y'all will get that, like, later down the line. Promise. Is that just me or that's blending? But like this is just really, really dark. Okay, so yeah, this lace is definitely like a little bit too dark for my skin tone. So if you're like darker than me, this will work like really, really good as far as like it being transparent and stuff. But I'm gonna like clearly like put baby hairs down, cover it up and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know, this, oh, like this side right here is like a little bit light, like it's okay, but I was like, let me just put it on because it could be just the lighting that I'm in, but no, it's just kind of dark. It ain't too dark because I've dealt with like darker lace and still made that like look hidden. But yeah, I don't know, the other wig that I got from them, y'all check that video out because that lace right there, and that was a full lace I had got. That color was really, really, really nice. I'm not saying this color is not nice because it could work for somebody else. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to tie up this hair one more time in my scarf, and then this time I'm gonna like blow dry it. Okay, y'all, so here's another trick that you can do when your lace is like kind of dark, is you go back in with your contour palette. I should use a smaller brush than this, but get you a small brush and go in with that same color you put on your ball cap and just go into the, like, you know, ball, like the little spots that you can see the lace. Go in with that. Okay, and then I'm gonna let it sit like this for like a good like 5 minutes. at the part with the review for this wig, and I'm gonna just go down the list like real quick. Tangling was like none. It was like no tangling like at all. The only shedding I got was when I was doing the plucking. I didn't even get any shedding when I washed the hair like right after bleaching. Sometimes I'll get like a few strands with like companies, but like AprilLaceWigs is like really good for having strong and tight knots. Bleaching the knots and stuff, y'all saw that was really easy. And I'm saying y'all saw. If you did not get to catch that video of me bleaching the knots and plucking, you can I think the link might be up here, or either way it's gonna be in the description. This is the body wave hair, y'all. I didn't do nothing to it. As y'all can see, this is literally just like water sprayed on it, a little bit of the curly like coil gel, and then I just dried it. This is the last thing, but it's more like a con. For me personally, ooh, the lace color did not match my skin tone, so it wasn't transparent for me. But if you're like a little bit darker than me, like I said earlier in the video, this lace would be really nice. I don't know if it's, I'm not even gonna say this is for all the 360 wigs because I only tried one, but for this one, this body wave one, the color just wasn't for me. But y'all know that their full lace wig that like laid perfectly, and if you want to see that video, again, the link will be in the description, or you can click it at the top. But yes, y'all, I will be coming back and giving a more detailed review after I tried out the hair for a minute. I can't do that with the first wig I tried because my friend has that, but I do have something else in mind with this wig, y'all, so stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all out in my next video.